Here's Duncan. Hey, buddy. He will be 6 months old next week. So big. Yes. And he has been rolling all over the place. So we thought that we would video. You gonna roll over now? Probably not. Maybe we're tuckered out now. Oh, well that was lovely for the camera. You're a mess. You're a mess. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? Are we done rolling over now? You all done rolling over? I think maybe we're getting tired. You ready for a little nappy nap? I think so. I waited too long. I waited too long. I'm not going to roll over now. All right. Sayonara.